Okay. Today we're gonna solve a problem. In this case, we will determine the equation to convert Fahrenheit degrees to Celsius degrees. So the process is this. We have to establish the XY coordinate, in this case Fahrenheit versus Celsius. And we know that for 0 Celsius degrees, the equivalent is 32 Fahrenheit. And for 100 Celsius, it is equivalent to 212 Fahrenheit. From this graph, we can establish two equations. We can call this equation 1 and equation 2. So we establish that 100 degrees is equal to 100 Celsius degrees is equal to 212 plus V, and 0 degrees is equal to 32 Fahrenheit plus V. We subtract 2 to equation 1. So we do the subtraction and we get 100, 180 plus 0. This is eliminated. And from here we determine F. So F is 100 over 180. We can delete this, and it is 10 over 18 equal to 5/9. So this is the slope of the equation. So the type of formula or graph we are using here is Celsius degrees is equal to mf plus v. So we can say Celsius degrees is equal to m 5/9 f time plus t0, which is the offset. Okay. So we substitute. We have for 100 degrees, we have the slope 5/9, and 100 is equivalent to 212 Fahrenheit plus V. We do this to solve for V. So solving for V, we pass this term to the other side of the equation, subtracting. So we have 100 minus all this, minus 5/9 times 212. So we have 117.17, and if we do the subtraction, we get a negative 17.77, or we can call it negative 18. Therefore, to establish our equation in another format, we can say that the Celsius degrees is equal to m. We know m, 5/9 times Fahrenheit, minus 18, or this fraction. So we can say this is our formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. If we know the Fahrenheit, we put them in here and we get Celsius. Now to solve for Fahrenheit degrees, we can solve for F. So we can pass this term to the other side of the equation. Okay. And it is going to be adding. So going to be Fahrenheit. We leave it here, and this one goes to the other side of the equation, adding, and we get C plus 17.77, and we get Fahrenheit is equal to centigrade degrees over 95 plus 32. Okay. And to solve this problem, you can do another approach, which is the one shown right here, right there, and that will be that one, and that will be your homework. How to solve the Fahrenheit degrees using that formula, the mx plus v. Thank you.